Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a digital magazine in Canva. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is click on the create to design, and then from here you can search for the magazine option, and you will have multiple options to choose from. Magazine cover is usually the best one, since you can create more of them in the same ratio, and it will be just perfect. So from here you can select from many types of templates such as this one, and then from here you can select more like this and add a new page, and then from here you can select all the other ones that you can change, and then from here you can change all the names. So instead of business, let's say subscribe. We can move them down, we can change each individual text, we can zoom in for that, we can go to the next one and then do the exact same thing. And from here you let your creativity flow. You can use some templates or you can use everything from scratch. You can get also some inspiration from Canva themselves, because when you search for the digital magazine Canva, you will get this, which is a step-by-step guide for Canva on how to create the perfect digital magazine. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.